basically like two planes pushing back at once. So I think they're gonna detach the aircraft from the tug now, and the city jet is officially parked up. You can see its tail and its elevators. So if it comes round here and parks up, I'll focus the oh look, there's another plane coming in for landing just there. Yeah, my last time I did a airport, like, well, last time I basically did plane spotting was when I was at London City Airport. Oh, this one looks like it's got the engines on the wing, so it could either be an A320 or a E170. I think it's an Airbus A320 because it has got the orange on it, so I think it could be an EasyJet. So yeah, let's just watch it come in. Yeah, it is an EasyJet. Look, zooming on it more. Okay, it's full zoom. But yeah, people might say that fighter jets are small, but no, they aren't small, man. They are basically the size of these planes, because that's how big they are. I thought the A320 was big, but these things are little midgets to the A380, not 20. Oh! He touched down left first and then he touched down right. I think that would have been a very hard landing. But yeah, as I was saying, if you think the A380 is big, I mean, like, if you think these things are midgets to the A380, how big do you think the A380 in real life is going to be? You know, I've seen it up close when I was at Heathrow Airport. I saw it parked up right in front of like a piece of glass like this. Oh, hang on. They've detached the pushback tug. So I think they're probably just like completing the taxi checklist. I'm not sure if that is a thing or not, but I ain't much of a plane expert yet. Right. I know some of the basics, yeah?
I think the other flyby...
Oh wait, I think that's the pilot down there.
Yeah.
Is it? Along with the ground worker. Wait, he ain't a ground worker. I think he's the pilot for the next flight. Oh, the helicopter just took off. Back there, and you guys probably can't see it. You might have seen it. It's only been 5 minutes 50 seconds. Yeah, birds around this area is a terrible. Oh, the flyby's moving. How do you move? Get out of the way. Sorry, now you can see it. He's got his flaps extended, ready for takeoff. He's going to go along that taxiway.
See the helicopter?
Where? Yep, look, so he's going to go around there, and then take off like that.
Kids, the helicopter is around there. It's going to come around there. It could take out. Or not.
Paddy, they're not kids, right? Or they might be kids watching this, but not necessarily.
Do you see that little tiny...
Stop calling them kids, because they could be teenagers. Yeah, whatever he's pointing out, you'll probably see it sometime soon. Paddy, you're in the way. Go on that second piece of glass where you were. Thank you. Okay, so this might be in this could be in 2 parts. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, over there you can see the radio signal thing. Please, Paddy, just move. Oh, the flyby's going onward to the runway, but the lights are red, so I think there could be another approach. Where's that EasyJet gone?
It's over
Is
there.
it even coming? Could be parking up over there. I'm trying to keep the camera as still as I can. Maybe if I lean against one of these.
I think it's the
Could be landing against like somewhere over there. Cause yeah, oh hang on. Bobby's right. Oh look, there he is.
yeah.
The EasyJet.
They're trying to hide. They're trying to
But
hide.
obviously you have to go all the way to the end. Okay, ignore what I said about the approach, because the Fly B guy or pilot is going in for takeoff. He's gone past the red lights. Oh, I think they might have been green, but I don't really see it on. Yep, there he is. Wow, he's going pretty fast. I would say like around about
50
20,
meters.
30 knots. Right. He's lined up on the runway.
Mom, can we also open the
What's this one?
Alright, I think he's gonna park up next to the other